So let's start. Basically, overall, the workshop module basically help the merchant to uh, do the operation on the workshop handling for the vehicle maintenance, then the daily operation of the servicings, including the appointment, car services, and then reminder and so on. So in this workshop module, basically they cover a lot of module here. In the slide you can see, basically they have first of all the workshop booking system. Allow the customer call in, then the advisor can help them to book the system. If you want to book the mechanic also can. Then before the customer come to workshop, the service reminder we send to the customer, acknowledge that they need to come to service. Then when customer come to the workshop, the service provider will help to create the job sheet, record all the progress in the overall the process in come to the workshop. So the mechanic will do the servicing and so on. If you involve the company account, so we have a company statement so that they can let the company pay for the bill for the staff, where the staff send for car the services. So inside the package, inside the servicing, so the owner maybe choose the package to do servicing. So we have flexible packages for the service provider advice to the customer to choose it. Of course, when come to the costing mechanism, Beer workshop, yes, as you know, is a very big queue of the item list, basically. If you want to manage all the item list, I think it's difficulty. So we come up the very straightforward, we call the manual cost maintenance or the benefit. This function help you, the merchant, instead key in all the individual item, you can use a common item to record it. Then finally put the cost in the bill there, then you know the cost profit for the all common items. So that's why this is the main cost benefit to help you to maintain cost profit. Lastly, competitors top item, I think you know what is that? To help the merchant to choose or advise the customer to choose whether this item, if currently not on the hand, you can choose another package for them to use it. So basically, this is overall the workshop system can handle throughout our smart solution. So here today topic is cover six topic here. For system overview, go to the vehicle maintenance, then come to the service appointment list, how to handle it. Then we come company car servicing, how we do the company statement. Then for mechanic, how to do checklist. Finally, is the reporting and analysis. This is the overall today we cover the topic. So let's begin our first topic, system overview. When come to workshop system, first of all, we talk about in this solution, we have a cover two type of the business. First of all, for personal car. For example, how we handle the personal car. So basically, let's say I'm the owner. So before I go to the workshop, I need to call to the center to make the appointment. So in the center, we call service advisor, we do the appointment, help me to do the booking. So the service advisor will do the booking in the appointment list here to check the available date and book the service for me. Then from there, when I come to workshop, the mechanic will help me do the servicing and repairing according the job sheet already assigned. Then finally, the bill will issue from the service car center. So when the next service coming, this Honda, let's say this is service center called Honda, they will send reminder to me to remind me to come to next services. This is overall the personal car handling operation flow here, then whereby we can handle your smart workshop system. Another mod, another type of business is the company car. How we handle the company car in this scenario? Let's say this Simon Corporation, they have a few of car to do servicing. Actually, the floor is same. They need to call to the center, they make appointment, or then go to the service floor. Only the different part is the month end, the company, Simon Corporation, you receive the company statement. Then lastly, the same reminder will go to the company corporation, reply the car need to go to its next services. So this is the between of the company car and personal overflow the system overview. So let's go more detail on the maintenance part. Here we maintain four type things. First of all, the car maintenance. Second is the mechanic maintenance. Third is the service advisor maintenance. Fourth is company car maintenance. How we do in system. First of all, we maintenance, you need to create a custom profile. Then normally we use the the type of the vehicle and then the number plate and customer name in the vehicle ID. Easy for the service provider to call in or customer to call in. Easy for recognize who they are. Then of course, in the individual card file, you can maintain the vehicle detail, like the chassis number, engine number, mileage, etc. You can maintain here. Second, go to the mechanic maintenance. So this is how we maintain mechanic, the details. Furthermore, in our individual card file there, the main vehicle file there, we also assign this vehicle belong to which mechanic, so that easy for the advisor to ask the car owner you want to refer back the old mechanic or not. This is how we maintain the system. So easy, improve your service experience with customer call in. So you can allocate which car, which mechanic also, you can do that. So last is the service advisor. I think this is a caller, the who make the appointment. This is we call service advisor. The new type now in our workshop system here. Now talk about the company car maintenance. Let's say I got two car here. So on screen you can see I got a CRV and a HRV. So these are different number plate. You just maintain individual car file. Then for the company profile, parent company, you need to create company profile. We call parent company. You need to create one car file called company parent company. Inside the below you can see highlighted by the red box parent company, the name is same. Then for the how to link these two to this company profile, you need to come to here. Under parent company account, you need to select your mother company. For individual car, link to our master account called parent company. This is how we do the setting so that you can come out the company statement. So this is maintenance for the just out of four type. So now come to the second portion. That means service appointment flow. Here we cover call in and confirm appointments, then how to do the scheduling, then how to do the update status, finance reminder. So this is a overall of the we call the service advisor to the operation floor. For example, when this car come in, so the service advisor will receive a call, then service need to check open the we call the service appointment list to record when this car call in. When they call in, then when the customer come to service, need to record in this job sheet here. We call appointment list here, key in everything inside. Then put in the calendar, check which date is available. It just help the merchant to record the all the schedule here, time slot, everything confirm here. So in the calling section, you advisor can also advise the package the customer to do what kind of the services, 10,000 services or 5,000 services. If you able to provide the package, also good. If it's up to you, because here you can also record which package you can choose. Then the mechanic, you can refer back the car file. You want to use back the same mechanic or not, up to customer option. But here, the service can do the assignment when the coin already received. Then of course, when the time comes, the service to call the owner and remind them they need to come to service according the job ship there, the service appointment list there. This is how we do the appointment flow here, confirm the things and call the services. So when customer come to the workshop, the advisor will check all the schedule in the workshop here. Then they will call the customer if they don't come. So on the daily appointment, you can see the today, which car to come to services, and then the advisor to click the particular slot here. You can call the customer if they customer not arrive to the shop. You just call them. So this is how to do the calling system using this called the appointment schedule list here. So after you've done the calling, so the advisor need to do all the service status. In this service appointment list, they got 4 status here, from the new, confirm, in service, and complete, and cancel. So this is the thing the service need to record according the step, the flow, which the car is in service or in complete status. Just update to this called the service appointment list to have the monitoring the whole progress. So finally, the delivery done. So the service to do another job, they need to check this service appointment list so that they will remind the coming the services for the individual car owners. So this they do the same reminder by them using the system. Of course, before you can do that, you need to do some condition in our system. First of all, in the stock farm maintenance, you need to allowed to create take out this call, store in the service reminder. This always refer to package there. So normally we sell package ma. So in the package there, in the condition you need to take stock is a service reminder. And when come to invoice part, when you billing, you need to identify when. Normally we expect the services like we normally go to workshop, normally you use the 5,000 package. Normal the next service is normal 3 months. So normally, first of all, they'll key in the according package. If 5,000 package, 3 months later. If a 10,000 package 6 months, this you need the key in the system when we issue the invoice time. So we key in here so that the service advisor will know which date need to call the which customer. So this is the thing you need to manually to enter in the system and do the billing so that service advisor can do the reminder. So this is a send service reminder, the flow you need to take care. All right, so just how to handle the all servicing. So now come to the company car module. How we do the servicing? Actually, same. Only thing that the statement we send to the company profile is like this. Inside this company statement account, you can see the all individual car, how much we charge. So this is a finally need to review, then the call chasing payment to the customer. This is how we do it. So third part is the mechanic. So mechanic, what he should do. So this some of the normally we cover the vehicle history lah. So how system do, how to handle it, let's go in, find the see. Need to go to the call the vehicle history listing there. Whenever mechanic to go to this screen, first of all, type in the customer name, that means the car file for the car. So after the key, you can see after that, you can see the below, they will come with the listing regarding the servicing history regarding this car. When they come to service, and then what the building is look like. Let's say the mechanic want to see more detail, he can drill down this document to find out the last servicing, what kind of item they are using, so that the mechanic know to use the correct item. So in order to serve the customer better. So this is something history for the mechanic have a review like easy for the services. Okay, so finally we come to the reporting and reminder. So basically, customer service support, you know, just how the we have, and then the same matter will do done, just how the two sides mentioned. So there are furthermore report here. The first of all is a Servitech from buying a, they actually is SST report. So this is some of the report to let the user know how much you need to pay for SST. So this is we call Servitech Porang Lampai A lah. Secondly, you want to check the workshop sales. This is the report. You can see all the sales handled by this location workshop. And then mechanic sale profit listing, you can check from here. Or when to count the commission, this report have to count the commission also. So this basically the common report we have to help the merchant run the workshop system. Furthermore, we have special function developed for this kind of industry. It is three package here, three function. First of all, the package deal. Secondly, manual cost maintenance. Thirdly, is competitor stocks. So how system work? Package deal means that you need to go to our system file to create the package. Let's say 10,000 package in screen, you see your 10,000 package. You need to maintain the inside the package what item you need to sell. The package included. So we call BOM. You need to in the BOM you manage individual item list inside the package. Finally, you need to take this called auto bomb. You need to take it so that when you take this function, that means that when you come to the building site, when you offer to the customer what kind of the package you come to here screen, you can click this called the import from package system will show you the package available in currently. From there you can choose what package to offer to customer. So this is how we do. After you select this particular packages, so in our view detail, you can see the all item of the public inside the detail. From here, you also got a chance to change if customer prefer to use different of the brand name of the engine oil or oil filter, you can change it accordingly. So we call flexible packages. So this is something we enhance for you to do the package selling process. It's called packages. Next, this is another manual cost maintenance we call. So this function to build for what? Basically, to build for the item we buy, not the hot selling item is seldom all item or back-to-back both item. So in this condition, we create the item called wiper. We don't specify wiper for Honda's no need, just a common item because we know this item for you to the back or back-to-back order. It's the order one. That's why we use this function to manage it. Then the costing you choose the many cost. So this purpose is to help you to do the record of costing. For example, let's say I issue this wiper in either case or invoice you choose from here. Then from there you can key in the individual cost in the particular cost column there so that you can enable to get the cost profit for this particular wiper item. In the screen, you can see this wiper only. So this not only apply to wiper, you can apply to this kind of the slow moving item. For example, wiper or the tire, because tire so many types, you cannot manage so many type tire into your item list. Normally, the workshop owner to maintain the hot selling item only. For those specified tire, they use a command either called tire textbook. So that easy for them to manage item. Also, not only so hard to manage so many items. If you manage so many items, for you to manage, so no work for you because seldom not the hot selling item. Why need to manage so many not hot selling item? To ease your job, they use command to do it because we have a many costs to key in your costs. Also for the train item, sometimes the workshop will train other item like the tire, but they can resell. In this scenario, when it comes to resell item, you don't have purchasing cost. What you do is, when you train the cost, you know the cost. So when it comes to the new sales for the second item, then you go to the just we call the manual cost maintenance to put in your last time train cost. Then you know this particular invoice, the manual cost how much. They know the cost profit. So this is a function of the manual cost maintenance, the purpose. So this is some sample for you. Have an idea? We promote this system to your customer, advise them to use the command item and use the manual cost to enter to easy for the manage. Then for another called compatible stock selection, actually I think you know what is that. So first of all, I need to manage in the system to maintain in the computer stock screen there. When it comes to sales, you can call our smart inspector out. We choose particular item. Let's say this item stock not enough. You can inform to choose another item whereby it's compatible with this item. You can inform to choose available quantity. Then can advise customer can you use this another item called compatible for them to sell. This for the easy. Instead of no stock to sell, they will lose the sales. So this is a compatible stock. Have the option to customer choose. All right, this is called the compatible stock selections. Okay, I think this overall system we have. I do hope that I won't speak too fast. So this is a package. This is a package for single store for workshop module. So in single store, our workshop module sell in 2,000 only. So of course, we sell this package in 4,000. They're including the free the info to go, also free the e-invoice module. So total is only 4,000 only. Customer can use this workshop module already. When add user, just account user is 600. If the image user also 600, up to you. So this is a package you can offer to the market. Then for next year renewal, we just need to cover because cover to allow you to have the free invoice module. So renew 500, you can enjoy the e-invoice module free. For the info to go optional, because next year is no free. You want to renew is 300 per year. And then for you to charge the contract, I mean the yearly service contract, we recommend is about 600, 50% of the software price. So this cover for remote and full support. We didn't cover on sites. So this is a package for you to offer for the customer. This is a second year renewal package. So basically, overall, this is today's sharing sections. So now we come to our Q&A sections.
Yeah, there's some questions that Kevin would like to know. First of all, is next service reminder sent through what media? Okay, this one is not auto lah. You can set the the schedule email. This is the schedule emails can set or the service advisor they can send through the WhatsApp web.
Yes. According the user said, yes. Currently, we don't have a special function to do the what you mentioned, but you can do the batch email. If you know the batch email, so you can select the reporting, send accordingly.
Next question. If a personal got multiple cars, they're actually not affected lah, because how we recorded each car is in the customer profile, but each car have their own information, their cases number, so they are unique. Even
Yes.
you same person have 3-4 cars, they also need to register as 3 different card file.
Yes, correct. Another question with us? Let's say just now, Senior mentioned by Eunice, this person got 3 cars. So same thing. The parent car you put under your owner name so that all the bill will go to one person. So this person will pay for all the 3 car services. Also can do that. You treat is a company car.
Yeah, just now Simon did address it. So for this scenario, if the one person have multiple car, can use just now the company, personal have multiple car, can use the company car concept. Let the parent company be your name. So you have 4-5 car registered under you, then you put your name as a parent company, then group under you. So the billing will go under the same person, but individual car will have their own vehicle.
Recording services.
Beside that, actually this workshop is just like how Simon showed is the full cycle of workshop operation. We know that actually a lot workshop in the market, they might not need to use all of this function. So some of that maybe they don't have service reminder. They don't have the agent to receive your call or whatever. Some of them just receive the sales only. But the important part for the workshop owner they want to use is the vehicle maintenance part. So so for the workshop, big or small, they also can use this module based on their needs. They don't need to be full function. Just some compulsory, they up to their operation requirements.
Any idea? Let's say we get discount 10 plus 3 plus 5 discount servicing for special customer. So every time come you enjoy this particular package, the discount package. Can we do that or not? Any idea? Actually can do that. I show you how we can do that. So now we go to our customer profile. Let's say this customer profile. Basically, we have one option called the discount column. This is a new enhancement on the 2025.1. They'll call a discount column. This other specify refer to this customer name. You can put the discount level up to your formula, but this apply to individual customer. So this is very special. You can do that. No, need price level. You can specify your discount level here. Also can do it. All right. So this is something new thing for you. So that let's say I'm missing some promotion, you can use this kind of thing to do your special arrangement. Please take note. Mr. Tan, this is a way you can do only discount by customer. Special discount by customer. So package deal is actually a discount package. So let's say you want to do any promotion, you package deal do the promotion. You can do that. All right, using package deal. You set your different price level inside the promotion package there, the package deal. So this is something you can utilize in your system. So any question you want to ask regarding workshop module here? If no, I think we stop here. So we will waiting. We will do another session for the coming this date for coming is for the payment solution. So next week, please stay at the same time. So you learn the new payment solution to help customer adopt it. And then from payment solution, I think they will already commission for all dealers. So please, next session we will cover cost. So next session should be the boss to join, not the sales staff. All right, please take note for next sessions. Involve the costing sharing. All right, thank you for your time for attending this morning session. So see you next coming Thursday. All right, thank you.